Today is a really good day because we are making low carb cinnamon toast crunch. What? Yes, it is delicious, it is crunchy, it is all your childhood in a bowl, but with a lot less sugar. Actually, no sugar at all. So let's get cooking. The first thing you want to do is take your cinnamon and pour it into your monk fruit sweetener, then mix it all together. All right, so you can put that to the side. Now we're going to take our baggie, make sure it zip locks, and you're just gonna pour your avocado or your coconut oil in. Now you're gonna take 2 low-carb tortillas and you're gonna cut them into little squares. This is going to be our cinnamon toast crunch kind of base, if you will. If you want suggestions on what brands to use, just comment below and I can help you out with that. Now you're just gonna take your bag of oil and throw your little tortilla squares straight in. Perfect. Now you're gonna close up the bag and shake it all up. Now you're gonna open the bag again, and you've probably guessed, you're gonna take your cinnamon sugar and just pour it straight in. Now close the bag again and shake it all up. Now you're just going to take your lined baking dish, place it in front of you, and evenly disperse your cinnamon toast crunch onto your baking sheet. Any little bits of sugar in your bag, just kind of sprinkle them out. All right, so you wanna make sure they're evenly dispersed. You don't want them overlapping on each other. So what I've done is preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I'm gonna put them in for literally 5 minutes or less. You don't wanna add too much time onto these because they will burn pretty quickly. So keep an eye on them. It doesn't take long to crisp them up. Trust me. Let's go do that now. It's done. I let them cool down and they've really crisped up. Now, if you want, you can store these in your cupboard for about a week. Enjoy them throughout the week. Have them as a snack, have them with some milk, whatever you like. They are delicious in every way possible. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.